Come along on a factory tour in Greece and see how olive oil is being made. So today we have come to the olive oil factory near Nafplio town, and yesterday when we went to Delphi on a tour, the tour guide, she called this company called Mela's olive oil, and we got the tour today. It's Sunday, it's closed, but because of one big tour bus was coming and they were giving tour to them, we also joined them at 11 o'clock, and we just took the tour, and it's beautiful. They have a huge orchard and more than 1 million olive trees. So you can see here all the olive fruits are coming up. October is when they harvest the first one, then November. More green they are, the better the oil.
But the quantity of the oil will be less.
9 kg
of olives.
9 kg of green olives will bring 1 kg of oil. If it is dark green.
October.
Yes, October.
When
then slowly it goes down. The brown one in end of the season is like about 3 kgs of fruit will bring 1 kg of oil. Look at the fruits. So many fruits are here. Olive trees, among the oldest and most beautiful plants, can live for thousands of years and are highly drought resistant. The olives are harvested in October and brought to the factory. Upon arrival, fruit is placed into the de-leafing machine, which removes any stems, branches, or leaves. Afterward, the fruit moves up the conveyor belt where it is thoroughly cleaned with water. The washer also ensures that any remaining debris, such as pebbles or leaves that weren't removed by the de-leafer, is eliminated. From there, the olives are sent to the slicer, where they are cut into small pieces. This helps prepare them for the crusher, making the crushing process easier. The pits are also crushed along with the olives in a machine that looks like a sideways washing machine. Once the olives are crushed, the oil is filtered through a machine. The clean oil is extracted. The filtration process takes place at a temperature of 30 degrees centigrade or lower to preserve the essential nutrients. Higher temperatures can destroy vital nutrients such as vitamin A, B, C and E, carotene, omega-3, and about 125 microelements. The oil then moves to another machine for centrifugation, where vegetable water and solids are separated from the oil. Olives are no longer pressed. Thanks to advanced technology, we've developed machinery that extracts oil from the fruit more efficiently and hygienically. The proper term for this process is milling. Leftover pulp is being burned and used as a fuel. After olive oil has been decanted for a period, it should be stored in glass, tin, or ceramic containers. Plastic should never be used for storage, as the oil can absorb harmful plastic elements. For this reason, it is internationally prohibited to store extra virgin olive oil in plastic containers. Oil can be categorized into 3 types: based on its acidity and oxidation level: extra virgin olive oil, and olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is best used as a finishing touch, drizzling it over foods like salads or using it in marinades, or adding it at the end of the cooking process, never while cooking. Extra virgin olive oil can undergo oxidation when exposed to oxygen, light, or heat. This process can degrade its flavor, nutritional value, and lead to rancidity. Time also plays a significant role, so fresh olive oil is always the best. Extra virgin olive oil can be made from any healthy olive, whether green, red, or brown, as long as they are free from damage or defects. After the tour, it was time for the taste.
Thank you. How is it?
Very good. Bread itself is really good.
In the end, we stopped by their shop, which had a wide variety of olive oil products for sale, including different types of extra virgin olive oil, olives, tapenade, soaps, lotion, and chocolates. We purchased extra virgin olive oil, soap, and chocolate, all of which were of exceptional quality. Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.